Never ever let the ugly in others kill the beauty inside you. Hey guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about that you should never let other people destroy your inner beauty. Let's get into the video. You are the person who can achieve your every dream. You are the person who can give yourself real happiness. You are the owner of your life, but still you are letting other people destroy your peace, your dreams, and everything that is about you. Like your dreams comes from you, your ambitions comes from you, your desires comes from you. Then why you are letting other people decide that what you should do or what not? The world is way too selfish than you think. All they care about themselves. No one in this world is happy to see the other person growing or fulfilling their dreams. If you think that someone else is like giving you something is only beneficial for you, then you are wrong, my friend. Very wrong. Very wrong. Because you are the only person who will think good for you. All other people will only, no matter what the person is, no matter who the person is, they can do good for you only if it's beneficial for them. Otherwise they won't do that. All they care about themselves, and everyone does that. It is your life. God has created you so beautifully, and you are able to take every single decision of your life. Then why you are still sitting and seeking other people's validation? If you think you are able to do something that you really want to do and you are capable enough, then why the hell you want someone else's validation? If you want to do that, go for it. Go for it. You are the good person. You are a good human being. You want to do everything for yourself. You want to make yourself happy. But these devils in this world will never ever, like, if they can, they will never let you achieve your dreams, because this is how much jealous humans are to each other. Way too much. People are not sad because they are not capable of achieving their dreams. They are sad because the other person is achieving their dreams. And that's true. That is so true. Their own sadness is not enough for them. Other people's achievement is really sad for them. Your character is the really strength of you, and you should not, never ever let other people's opinion destroy that. Like, you know what kind of human being you are. You know how beautifully you think about other people, how you genuinely care for other people. And if someone else is saying that this person is so mean, they are so selfish, let them say that. Let them. Because you know your truth. And the other people is saying something bad about you, it's their opinion, it's not fact. You know all the facts about you. Then why you are letting other people negativity destroy your peace? Like, if someone is saying something bad about you, it's not about you, it's about them. It's about their negativity. It's about their negative mental health. They are the person who can never think positive. So it's their problem, not yours. And I'm the kind of person, like, genuinely I'm the kind of person who believes in kindness. Like, kindness. I've heard this quote which says, kill them with your kindness. Like, and I personally believe that don't even kill. Like, be kind no matter what. It's okay. It's okay. God is watching everyone. If you are being kind to everyone and yourself, it will come to you eventually. And if someone is being rude, mean, and bad to someone or to themselves, it will come to them eventually. So don't worry, everything is already written. This is what I feel. And if something happens, it's okay. All you need to do is stay kind, stay quiet, and be nice. and like genuinely nice, not just to show off. Genuinely be nice person. And like why I said this, that don't let someone else's ugliness kill your beauty. Because like if someone did wrong to you, it shows who they are, right? And if you like try to seek revenge, then you are also the same person. Don't you think that then you both are same, you both are on the like same path. You should always like choose peace over any drama, like literally over any drama. If you know that the person standing next to me is stupid, do you think if you argue with that person, will that argument like worthy? You will only lost your energy, your time and everything. So you should always choose peace over argument or any drama with stupid peoples, because it shows who they are. And if you are the person who is not responding, who is not seeking revenge, or like trying to get in an argument, I feel that you are a good person, and you are the person who is intelligent. You are the intelligent one. You are saving your energy, your time and everything, and you are choosing peace. And no matter how bad the situation is, you should always stay true with your real genuine values. No matter how bad the situation is, always stay true, kind with your values. This is what I feel. And how can you really stop other people's ugliness kill your beauty? Forgive. Forgive. Forgive the situation, forgive the person, everything. Forgive it. But don't forget, like really. You have been in a bad situation. Learn from that situation. Only learn the lesson. Only remind the lesson and forget everything. Every bad moment, every bad situation, every bad person, forget everyone. Only remind the lesson that situation taught you. And be the nice person, be the kind person, be a soft-hearted person, but with boundaries. Set your boundaries. Do not let other like ugly people cross that boundaries. If someone is being ugly, being rude, being mean, they should not have the key that they can come to you, like for genuinely, like for real. If you know that someone is wrong and they are not the right people for you, you need to learn, set boundaries and keep that person away from you, no matter what. This is what my boundary is, and I don't accept this, what you do, what you say, and we are done. Like we are really done. Like see, staying with the person, like staying you are with a person who continuously say bad things that you don't really like, and they kept saying this, and what do you know what you will get eventually? You will continuously think about the situation, think about the things that they say, and you will keep hurting yourself. Do you guys really know what happened when you don't set boundaries? The thing you don't like and a person continuously do that, you will get so much hurt, and not just once. Continuously you will hurt yourself, and that person will continuously hurt you because you didn't set boundary. When the person did that thing for the first time, you didn't chose to leave, you didn't set your boundaries that this is what I don't accept and I can't tolerate this, and you let them hurt you. This is what happens when you don't set boundaries. You only drain yourself deeper, deeper, and deeper. And you shine bright when you don't let darkness affect you. You will become the most beautiful, most gorgeous, most smart, most intelligent person when you don't let other people affect you and their negativity affect you. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye. Bye. Bye.